one? Where's one? This is the day we all have been waiting for. Today is a great day in this land. As we all know, the amazing dancing group that we all have been waiting for is performing today. And this same day, a maiden that comes out first will be chosen as a wife for my dear son, who has been studying abroad. Not only that, the maiden will go home with lots of gifts, and monetary reward will accompany it. Having said that, can the music start? Come. No, not you. Come. Kwenu! Kwazwanu! Isn't she the winner? Isn't she the winner? Good. Today, she has been chosen, being the winner of this contest, as the wife to my dear son. That was my initial promise. And I also said that other prizes will follow. And I hereby say that she will be given a cash prize of 300,000.
Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, thank you.
Yes, you've done well. You've done us proud.
My daughter. Mama, I'm so proud of you, my daughter. They say everywhere. I know you can't tell me.
They were all thrilled. If you see the way they were clapping, if you see the excitement.
I'm so much proud of you, my daughter.
Mama, your daughter is too successful to be a failure.
I know you can't fail me. I
cannot, Nana Wallace.
Sister, I'm so proud of you.
Sweet.
So you're going to be the queen of this land very soon.
Yeah. That's not the plan. It's not even in the agenda. The thing is, I'm not even in love with the prince. Secondly, I have a lot of things to do with my life. Not love, not politics. Mama, you know I'm tired. After all the dance or be easy, let me go and take my shower and rest.
My dear, just go in. Let me go and prepare something delicious for you. This calls for celebration, you know. You made me proud. Never. Oh. Come on, let's go. Let me go and prepare.
You have to talk to sister. She must marry the prince.
I know she's joking. She will. Go and prepare something delicious for her because she made me proud. Oh. Never.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all lawyer for. She is bold enough. One with the bandila. Just because she's bold enough. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful. God is with you, but be careful.
Hey, can't you just greet? So you can't greet? I told you my hand will touch you.
It was here. I'm sure they will not be far from here. This is the place that they caught her. I'm very sure. Thank God they didn't succeed in raping you. What is wrong with all these useless boys now? Eh? They will not go and look for what to do. Let's go.
Ogenenwa karaka. Any nonsense thing, she know they take am. Ogenenwa busonwa. Any nonsense thing, she know they take am. She is beautiful.
Ujongwa. Ujo. Please come. Please go in and get me my drugs.
I will bring down this house today. Eh? Where is Ogene? Where is that your stupid useless daughter?
Nemo.
Ogonye bu nne one. But I said, where is your daughter? Simon Nem.
Bia, Nneka. So I am not too small for you to even greet. Ajugangi.
What is so special about this money to greet you? What is good in this money? Eh? Look at my brother. Look at Osita, my brother. Ndo. Is this looking like my brother? Look at what your wicked daughter did to him. Eh? You see me greet you. Greet you for what? Where is your sister? Where is your stupid sister?
Ujungwa. Mama. Did your sister have any involvement with this?
Stop this nonsense now, this woman. What is involvement? What's some involvement? So I came here to listen to this nonsense you are saying, this rubbish. Yeah, but alright, there's no problem. No fault. We are all in the same umada. I will get her. Look at what she did to my brother. Who does that nonsense?
Osita, Nemo, because you will get that.
Let's go. And as for your daughter, then I'm coming back. Because the only thing that will save her in this village is to leave this village for me. Or people can anywhere she see me, let her be running. Because the war has started. Let her
Osita, Nemo,
look at my brother.
Mama, don't stress yourself.
Let them go. She cannot do anything. Ojionu. Because that is dangerous. Eh? Just look at my brother. What kind of nonsense is that?
She can't do anything.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. What is wrong with you? Ujungwa,
Mama.
I ask you again. Did your sister have hand in that?
Mama, listen. It's not what you think.
Hey!
Mama, you are just confusing me. Sometimes you talk as if you don't know your daughter anymore. Okay, let me ask you. Will sister just see that small boy and start beating him on the road just like that? Mama, you're supposed to ask me, Ujungwa, what happened, not to conclude with her.
I will not even ask you what happened. If that should be the case, she, Ogene, has no right to hit that small boy like that. Why? Ogene. Hi!
Mama? Mama, so you are supporting her?
Ogene.
Okay, fine. Maybe if they had succeeded in raping your daughter, I guess you will love that.
Yes, again.
Mama, I'm done with this conversation. Let me go and...
What did I hear you? Would you be a? What did I hear you say? Rape or what? Hey! Who is raping who? Hey!
Neka.
Rape.
Neka.
Oh, yeah,
Ona digo koko. Imegbalu ife melody. Ona digo koko. Imegbalu ife melody. Ona digo koko.
Why does everywhere look so serene, deserted, catastrophically silent, and impudently abandoned? Was there a catastrophe here or a cacophony? Which is right? A cacophony and a catastrophe are the same. Is anybody at home here?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. How are you?
They are fine. And how about yours?
Oh, the good Lord deemed it fit to keep them strong, healthy, and vibrant. You did send for me. I hope all is well.
No, all is not well, though. My children, they want me to die. They want me dead.
So what happened?
Ogene, my daughter, she went and fought with Osita, and he was badly injured. They brought him here not too long ago before you came. And there was bruises all over his face and even head.
Ogene.
I don't even know what to do.
How can she engage in a fisticuff with a male? What was she thinking? Anyway, where is she?
She's not around. I don't want anything to happen to them. That is why I try to avoid them on things like this. They're the only joy that I have left.
Calm down, speak no more. What I will do is to launch an intensive investigation into this saga, so that I will determine the cause and the abrasiveness concerning the problems. Do you understand?
That has been my prayer.
If not for the velocity of the sun, which I fathom should be at 100 degrees centigrade, I would have gone into action immediately. But I will look for a cool place where I will rest my head and gather my medulla and be able to do the needful. Do you understand? All right. I shall be on my way now.
So soon?
Oh, yes.
I have food on the fire. Let me go and check whether it's ready.
Oh, no. That won't be necessary because I am filled. Like I said, do not worry. They shall not get into any trouble. Do you understand? Okay. I shall launch an intensive investigation. Do you understand?
Okay, now.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Okay, now. God is with you. But be careful. No one enjoy. Okay, now. God is with you. But be careful. No one enjoy. Okay, now. God is with you. But be careful. No one enjoy. Okay, now. God is with you.
Where is Mama? Inside, welcome. Thank you. Has she taken her drugs?
She has.
Did she eat before taking the drugs? Okay.
Sister,
What is it?
do you know that useless boy came here with his sister?
For what?
She said that, Mama,
Oh, yeah. Go on. Clap for yourself. As you have it. Keep feeding her with information. Eh? And you think you're above the law? Apia? Did you see what you did to that boy?
Mama, which side are you on? Eh? Which side? I'm your daughter. You don't even ask me what happened.
No matter what happened, when you saw that your sister was okay, you shouldn't have hit that boy like that. That is all I'm saying.
Mama, I'm surprised. I can't believe you're saying this.
Surprised?
Yes.
Yes, why won't you be surprised?
Mama, do you realize it could have been your own daughter?
Okay, I'm asking, must you fight for people? Both of you are all I have left though. If you continue like this and they harm you, what will I do? The heart of men are evil. If you don't know, I don't want to lose both of you. You are my source of happiness. Biko, Mama.
Mama, I've heard you.
Biko, Mom, stop fighting.
Mama, I've heard. Let me go and make the drink. Hey. I don't like the way you
Hey, shut up. So I should allow her to be fighting with people? Always fighting. This one will come and give complaint, and another person will come and... What kind of person, girl are you? Okay, always fighting.
Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Like on a lawyer for, she is beautiful. Inside and outside, she hates injustice. Like on a lawyer for, she is bold enough. On a with the bandila, just because she's bold enough. On a with the bandila, okay, God is with you. But be careful, no one enjoy. God is with you. but be careful.
Now, Fana, give me this thing. I know one do. You don't make another person do. Now, for you.
Like SS. Okay, but let's go.
Hey, Jack Lolo, onye nkem.
Oge nene.
My personal person nenu.
Oge.
Onye mu ni ana adina mma.
Oge nene.
What is going on?
You don't see me now.
You are enjoying life, oh.
You don't see her now. I did here.
Bros, well done.
You don't see us now.
See, I was going somewhere now. When I saw you, I decided to greet you. There's something I will tell you, Sha. But all later.
Piari me now. Which one is later again? Now tell me.
Later, nge buru go.
Give me the thing now. One smoke. For real?
Wow.
I believe you died. She said she wants.
Correct girl. Come on.
What? Is this what you do for a living? Others are there working, doing something meaningful with their life. It took Reba and Esibo. Nah, guy, let me go. I have to leave now. Do you understand?
No problem. We'll see later now.
Hey, but why are you guys smoking like this now? This hot weather, no count.
This thing they give me inspiration. You no go understand.
They give you inspiration.
You my morale.
Morale to do what?
To hustle, man.
Nah, because don't forget to gist today, as I told you.
No, Alan.
Inspiration is inspiration.
No,
inspiration No, inspiration tireti kego malaw.
Now, what kind of insult is this now?
My friend.
If not for you, what have I done to this girl, eh? Can you imagine that? For what now?
Myself, I cannot imagine, but what will I do? She be my friend. Leave him, she don't go, leave him. And my friend, I leave him. I cannot imagine too, but maybe we leave him.
She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice like honor.
Ejike, please come.
What's happened now?
Come
I hope you're okay.
Come. No, see, I need your help now. I need money.
How much?
1,000. I need to buy drugs for my mother. She's not feeling well.
1,000. 1,000. Your mother is 1,000.
You don't have?
I don't have any money.
Which age?
No, what is it?
She said her mother is sick and she needs 1,000.
You give up now.
Okay,
Huh?
Okay, come.
Yeah, come.
Give her the 1,000 now.
I can't find my money.
You can't find it again. Give her the 1,000 now.
I'm telling you the truth now.
Which money are you looking for? Give her the 1,000, mister. How much is
I was having some money with me.
How much is the money?
It's 20,000 naira.
20 what?
And it's 200 by it is a mint.
You have 20,000 with you. Although I don't know.
That is not the case now. This is I don't know.
Is this what you're looking for?
Where did you find it?
I saw the money on the floor. And I was like, who dropped this money here? Nukega. You have to be taking it.
You have this kind of money with you.
So I just started to pick it and come and ask you people if any of you is the owner.
Udo, so you have this kind of money with you.
Take.
And we are eating bread.
Aye.
Come now, come and take the 1K.
No, don't worry, I don't need it. Don't worry, just when I talk.
Give me the 1K, I'll go and give her.
Don't worry, I don't need it.
Come and take the 1,000 now.
I don't need it, so just me don't want to
Give me the 1K now. You don't already scored the 1K. Give me the 1,000. Let me go and give her. Give me the 1,000. Give me the money now. Let me go and give her.
My mother is not happy, and the thing is really making me angry.
What is she saying?
She's complaining, She's complaining that I'm fighting too much. You know how these people look for my trouble in this village? I try to maintain my lane and man or woman, but these girls won't let me be. My mother is now complaining that I fight too much, If not for my mother, Mana no go every day. But because of her, I decided to take a chill pill. Yet she's still complaining. On her part, I have won before.
See, Ogene, you my person. You my good friend. I no go feel like give you. You're more than a very nice person. Everybody for this village can vouch for her character. Everybody loves your mother for this village. Your Male loves children. And you love children too. That make everybody stay love you. So no go change that impression where people don't already get from where you dey.
Love. Ichichum, you talk small talk, love past 20 inside. I not be your girlfriend though.
Chokwagi.
I know be your. I be you don't turn to pastor. I dey vex. I know I dey hate intimidation for my life. I know they like take my eye. They see when they intimidate person for nothing. And I'm so bad draw. Kanaba.
Take care of yourself, I beg.
You too take care, but I'm not happy.
Any nonsense thing, she not dey take her. Ogene wa busonga. Any nonsense thing, she not dey take her. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates injustice, like all her lawyer for. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates.
Ever well empty, ever well empty. Today, look at this girl now, beautiful girl. Make way for the girl with Sabine and Gordon. Who be dance? Baby, come and give me a hug. Come on. Hey. What dear? Why is your face like this? Why is your face like this? Come on, talk to me. I've never seen you in this kind of mood before. Can you hear me?
Baby, Ogene dealt me in this village. Oh, now one. Ogene now one. But don't worry, I will teach her a lesson she will live to regret.
Chelugodi, and who is Ogene in this village? Where is she from? Whose son or her daughter is she or he? On her surname?
My love, bother not yourself. For this matter is not your assignment. The subject matter bent to urinate, and I do the same as well.
Wait,
I will let her know that I have been accustomed to this way of life long ago before I'm
Chelugodi, who the hell is this Ogene? And how did it happen? From where to where and from how to how?
It's Osita, my brother. Oh God, you your own brother-in-law.
What happened?
Oh, she almost killed him.
No, don't say that.
Almost though. She saw him on the way. Because she knows that she's big and she feels she can hit him.
The Ogene is big.
Not very big. She's bigger than Osita, my brother.
Okay.
Yes, and she dealt with him all the time, and my uncle says, all the time, she even beat it blue, black, green, pink, red, yellow.
Ofonye.
Just my brother.
You think I go ban?
I swear. Is am I a bandage? Who does that?
Now this village.
My baby.
Why I'm still alive? Hey! I don't know possible. No.
She'll get it hot from
I don't know possible. Who the hell is Ogene? Kebo CCB Ejebonye. On my surname. Now this village, Ebendendo. Ogene is beating somebody. Come marry think I go pan. Kunya bandage. Now Ebendendo. Hey! I don't know possible.
Baby, I'll deal with her.
Just watch how I scattered Ogene's meat. Ogene is dead. Hey!
Yes, very well. Okay, you will not escape my wrath in this village. Okay now.
One stupid idiot in this village is trying with my emotions. Can you imagine? You know how much I love to protect Nega and the brother Osita?
Yes.
And someone has the gut to beat Osita blue, black, and red.
In this village.
I'm telling you honestly, this
is not possible. Who is the best?
They said her name is, yes, Ogene. Ogene.
Oge what? No, are you sure this information is right? Ogene, I know, cannot do such a thing.
Ejike, please, I'm so much
in
a hurry.
Now, let me tell you now. Calm down first now. I'm trying to control you.
Wait.
You are going out of control.
Do you know the person?
Listen now. Ogene, I know. The only Ogene I know in this village cannot do such a thing. Are you sure this information is right? It's not possible.
Do you know
Ogene is that same girl that returned your money. Yes, now, even that they confirmed that the girl is a very nice girl. I can vouch for her character. She cannot do such a thing.
That same girl that day?
Yes, now, you even confirmed it yourself that she's a nice girl. It's not possible.
Is she the one? Or is there any other Ogene?
No other Ogene. Hide the knife first is doing me somehow. Ogene cannot do such thing. I was even coming to your house before I saw you this morning. What I was like, I will go back. Man, I will come back when your anger must have come down. Maybe tomorrow or next. Just calm down. Ogene, I can vouch for her character. She's not that kind of person. You even confirmed it that day. Now, she's a very nice girl. Please, calm down. Go inside first and rest. Please, calm down. Please, this is your knife. The knife is doing me so now. Hide the knife. Beautiful. Nice, beautiful. See, I will be going now. Come back tomorrow or next. When your anger must have come down, okay? I will come back next tomorrow, okay? Udo.
Neka ma. Walupaya waya ige maybe fair. Neka ma. Because walupaya waya ige maybe fair. Aye. Ona digo koko. Imebalu ife melody.
And at the end of that street, there's a road by your right and by your left. So once she come, she must take her right. Then I will attack her from the left.
Okay, what if she decides to take that left and you didn't know that she's coming?
Baby, Ogene is not that smart. She can't. She will not. Yes. Just make sure.
I don't know. From my own thinking, she might decide to take that left. I mean, the place you're going to dodge first.
Baby, you be at the right. Anywhere she takes, let's just make sure we attack her. That's all. That's very important.
No problem. Let me tell you something.
Because it may be fair. Aye. Ona digo koko. Imebalu ife
Baby, make sure you do as planned. Lead her through this way. So if you lead her through this way so that we can catch her and deal with her.
It's okay.
Please, I'm very serious.
I'm listening.
Do leave Agaba side this way. I need to deal with Ogene myself.
Okay.
No mistakes, so do not forget.
She will soon be here now.
Alright, baby. Just sit, baby. What is it?
Ogene.
What is it?
Where are you going to?
I'm going to...
See, those girls you saw, they want you dead. So run as far as your leg can carry you. Thank you.
Okay, thank
Stop asking the question. Go back. Run!
Susan, from the look of things, I'll be leaving this village for the city very soon. Are you serious? Yes, I'm serious. Oh, my father said he has discussed with one of his brothers, so I will be joining you. Oh, I'm really miss you. Like, I'll be alone in this village.
I'll miss you too.
Okay, then. Who is after you?
Nobody. It's really important. I have to go now. Later.
What is it?
Nothing.
I hope all is well. Hey, maybe she's going for a meeting. But the way I like her, she's such a nice girl.
Yes, I like her too.
I like her.
Let's go.
Thank God I see you. Where are you going to?
My dear, your friend helped me out, so I'm rushing to the house.
You mean Udo helped you?
Yes!
The one who picked his money.
Yes, I have to go now. Oh?
Udo?
Any nonsense thing, she know they take her. Okay, then what somewhere? Any nonsense thing, she know they take her. She is beautiful inside and outside. She hates me.
Guy, you're too much. I hear you. I know how much you love that family. Yes, but don't take anything to the heart. Just take it that everything you did it for me. Okay?
Ejike, why is it that sometimes you talk like someone who doesn't have sense? For me to do that kind of a thing, that should tell you something. Your brain should tell you something.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Yeah? Okay, now listen, I'll make you understand. See that girl? I like her so much. And I have very deep feelings for her. So don't even play that pranks on me. Don't joke with me on that side. Because the last time I asked you if you have feelings for that girl and you said no.
No, I don't.
Now you're trying to play smart on me.
I don't have anything. No. Don't worry yourself.
I know you.
Listen.
No, Ejike, I know you.
No, don't.
I know you.
Listen, I have no feelings for her. Okay. I have no intention of having her as my girlfriend. Have it at the back of your mind, okay?
Are you sure?
You have nothing to fear about. Okay. I'm giving you my
Now, let me tell you something. You're my guy. Yeah? You're the only one I can be giving some kind of information. Yeah? Yeah. So I want you to take the insulin for now and deliver it. Okay? You see that girl? You know I like her so much. Eh? And I don't want anything to happen to her. So please, help me pass this information. Eh? No neck. She's a very bad girl. Yes. I've been watching her moves. And if I don't watch her very well, mark her, as in giving her close marking, she might hurt that girl.
You're right.
So please, help me tell that girl to be very careful. Okay? This information is very vital.
Alright, I will. Okay? I have nothing to fear about. I will tell her. I guess I have to be on my way. You need no margin now.
Okay,
you need no margin. I will come to your house. You will not give me anything.
I know that's the next thing you say.
You need no margin, nothing.
Don't worry, next time.
I'm going to
you can never say next time.
Alright, I've heard you. I will tell her.
Okay. That information was very important.
I've been hearing so much, so I decided to come and hear from you, because it won't be good for me to believe outsiders and not believe my friend. And moreover, I know you very well. I know you can't do such a thing.
What I told you was exactly what happened. They changed it and started saying all sorts of things. Ask Ujunwa now. Ask Ujunwa. Ujunwa, my sister is saying.
Hey! Anyway, I just said I should come and see you, to hear from you. Huh? But just be careful. Be very, very careful. I have to be on my way.
Okay, let me walk you.
No. You don't have to go anywhere. As a matter of fact, don't step out of this house. You have to be very, very careful. Nneka and her friend, they don't like you. Those girls are up to no good. As a matter of fact, they actually sent me here to lure you out. Yes, I know. but it will not work.
And I don't know what their plan is, maybe to kill you. Yes, my sister, you have to be extremely careful. Those girls are up to no good. But the problem is that I don't know the place, or I don't know. But I'm just assuming. But however, you have to stay at home. Please. I have to be on my way. Only take care of yourself, oh? Yeah? Please just be careful and don't come out. Stay indoors. Yeah?
Sister, you heard everything.
Biko wala boya wayo, ike maybe fair. Aye. Ona digo koko, ona digo koko. Mebalu ife melody, ike maybe fair. Ona digo koko, ona digo koko. Mebalu ife melody, ike maybe fair. Ona digo koko, ona digo koko. Please, can't you forgive? Ike maybe fair.
Mama, why are you outside? Mama, what is it? Why are you lost in thought?
Nothing. Where is your sister?
She's inside. Mama, don't tell me you're thinking about my problem with your sister.
Why won't I think? When a nigga is after your life, she wants to kill you by all means. All she wants now is to destroy you. Can't you understand?
But she cannot, Mama. Neka does not have the power to destroy me. That can only be possible if I am doing anything bad to her or I'm doing anything against her. But there's nothing she planned that will succeed. Don't worry yourself about anything. Everything will be taken care of. Biko, you don't have to be, Mama. Let's go inside. Let's go inside and relax.
I want to stay here.
You want to stay here? Okay, I'll stay here too. Because I don't want you to be here.
Cause she's more than now. God is with you. But be careful.
I called you because this issue is getting out of hand. I'm no more comfortable with the way they are coming after my daughter.
They still on our joke. This is very
disturbing is a smaller word to use. My daughter hardly goes out these days anymore. They either send someone to be watching her whereabouts, or they come out themselves. To crown it all, she's not alone. There are about 3 of them. What I'm saying is because before this thing will get out of hand, or they will kill each other.
This is very serious. This is absolutely unfair. I think the best thing to do will be to table this matter before the meeting, so that we will summon both parties and mediate in this matter, so as to resolve them and give them peace.
If this is the way to settle it, please let us go to Igwe. Let us go to...
It will not be too.
Because I'm tired of all this.
It will not be.
I don't want to lose any of my children. Please.
The Igwe is away on a very vital meeting, so we cannot see them today. Maybe we will see it tomorrow.
Alright, if you say so. Well, thank you very much.
I shall be on my way. Do you understand?
I do. Thank you very much. These children want to kill me before my time. Oh. They want to kill me before my time. Oh.
I think I have to go and talk to her.
And you think she will listen to you?
Yes, of course she will listen. After several attempts of wanting to kill that girl, but all to no avail. I mean, she should find a better way to make peace with her.
Yes, you are making sense. You are talking good. But the question is Nneka ready to make peace?
Didn't you see the way she's even releasing new plans that she will use? Didn't you see it?
Yeah, that's why it has to stop before it gets out of hand.
You're right. Okay. Still talk to her.
I will.
Okay. I guess I have to be on my way.
I'm going to go there.
I will come to your house year to year. Not even one cooler.
If you're going to be mad,
if I'm coming to your house, I'll come with cooler.
Hey, you come with cooler.
Udo, yele me bogi.
Man, you're all yem. Udo, you go more than enough in my house. Yeah?
Year to year, not even one bottle of Fanta.
One bottle of Fanta,
you call me your friend.
You
are getting addicted to stingy. You are now becoming a stingy person.
Oh God, can you come?
Neka no. Because when I buy you, it can maybe fair. Aye. On a big coco. On a big coco. Mebalu, if a melody. It can maybe fair. On a big coco. On a big coco. Mebalu, if a melody. It can maybe fair. On a big coco. On a big coco. Please, can't you forgive?
Why are we always waiting for this girl here? At least we all know where she lives. We can just go and get out from there.
Felicia, calm down. Calm down. Why your blood is hot? Relax. See, Felicia, whenever you want to do a clean job, you just have to be very careful. Yes, I know it might be difficult, but it will definitely happen. Calm down.
It will definitely happen. When? No, answer me when. Now I am beginning to get tired. Yes, I am getting tired.
Felicia, so what do you want us to do? How do we pick her up? How do we get to that girl? How?
Because personally, I want to deal with Ogen in my own way. Yes, my own way. And it will surely happen. Ha!
Again. Anyways, it's good. It's a good thing that we are all in the same purpose. You see that Ogene? Leave her for me. I want to get Ogene myself. I told me with that girl one-on-one. Facey, I will handle her personal.
I beg, give me cigar, make her smoke. I beg. If I smoke now, I go think. My mind go calm down. Because like this, me, I don't even know what I want to think. Sir.
Please, can't you forgive?
Felicia, I don't think I can continue with this. Yes, I won't. How many times have we tried to kill this same person, but to no avail? No matter how many times we try, and how hard we try, we keep on failing. That means Ogene's hands are clean. Yes. I don't think I can continue with this. Neka and Belinda can continue. I'm out.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
How may I help you?
Igwe, I want to bring it to your notice that my late brother's children, who happen to be my nieces, have been going through a severe war with some miscreants in this enclave. I will let their mother put you in the picture.
I'm listening, woman.
Igwe Gadio. Igwe, I came here to beg you to make peace between my daughter and late Mazi Oke's children. There has been a serious war between them. As a matter of fact, my daughter doesn't go out anymore again.
This is serious. Now, if I may ask, has there been any record of previous events or what actually has transpired between them before this hostility?
According to my younger daughter, Osita harassed them sexually by putting on a mask on his face. My daughter escaped to the house and now told her sister, Ogene, about what happened. And they quickly got to the scene, only to see Osita forcing himself on Esther, who just came down to the village to stay with her grandmother. Igwe, so that was what happened.
Arrow, this is an abomination. You mean all this happened?
Yes, Your Highness.
Hey, this is a very serious matter. Because of the gravity of this offense, I want you to bring your children here in this palace tomorrow morning.
Yes, Your Highness.
Guys, you go to let Mazi Oke's house. Summon the children to be here tomorrow morning. And also inform all the elders in council to be here equally. Is that okay?
Hi. Igwe, I have always admired your magnanimity. Kudos to you. Kudos.
Professor, you always blow with good English.
Igwe, thank you very much, Igwe.
That's okay. We cannot.
Do you go will make them bring money for your treatment? They got go to bandage.
No, sister. I don't agree with the fact of going to see the Igwe. Instead of seeing the Igwe, let's just forget about this thing. I don't have that strength.
For my dead body, will I forget about it? No, I will not forget about it. Oh, I will not even forget about it. What is it? What again? Eh? Open not to tag, not to tag. Kunya gisabo, man give bandage. Also, we should forget about it. Osita, why are you afraid of going to the Igwe for his judgment?
Sister, it's not as if I'm afraid. The Igwe's judgment is one thing that I don't trust. You know the Igwe now, his judgment is always like this. So let's forget about this thing, please.
Don't worry, I know this will favor us.
Greetings.
Greetings to you.
Message from the lawyer house. The Igwe requested both of you to come to the lawyer house tomorrow morning, and none of you to keep him waiting.
All right. Hey.
Sister, do you have a hand in this?
Me?
Yes.
No, I don't. But this is interesting because I know that you will never be found guilty. You will never. Can't say quoi? I'm coming. Let me get something inside, oh?
Any kind has come to you since that day?
Not at all. Thank you. All thanks to you and AGK. You guys really tried for me. I don't know what I would have done without you and AGK. You guys are like a brother to me.
What? Did he just say brother?
Does that sound odd? Are you not like a brother to me?
Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. So can we go to my place now?
Not really sure. I left my house since and my mother might be worried about me. So let's do this probably tomorrow.
Does that work for you?
It's okay, no problem.
But promise me, no smoking.
I promise.
Let me go back to my friend.
At least can I get a hug?
Hug, Chineke.
Yeah.
Alright, bye bye.
Okay.